Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all a cream of asparagus soup recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ। आज भने तपाईहरु माझमा मैले एस्पारागस यानी कि कुरिलोको सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु भने यो रेसिपीलाई तपाईहरुले घरमै पनि मजाले प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। साथसाथै तपाईले आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ है त। A cream of asparagus soup recipe, light, silky and full of fresh, inspiring flavor. A cream of asparagus soup, serving portion 4, preparation time 10 minutes, cook time 20 minutes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon butter, 1 small onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 450 gram asparagus trimmed and cut into 2 inches pieces, reserved tips for garnish. 3 cup chicken or vegetable stock, half cup heavy cream or half and half for lighter, salt and pepper to taste. Optional garnish, reserved asparagus tips, parsley or a swirl of cream. Instruction: Sauté the aromatics in a large pot. Melt the butter over medium heat. Add onion, garlic. Cook until soft and fragrant about 3 to 4 minutes. Cook asparagus. Add asparagus pieces, accept reserve tips and cook 2 to 3 minutes. Simmer. Pour in stock and bring to gentle boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until asparagus is tender. Blend and smooth. Blend until smooth. Use an immersion blender to puree until silky or blend in batches. Add cream and season. Stir in cream, salt and pepper. Warm gently without boiling. Prepare garnish. Blanch reserve asparagus dip in boiling water for 1-2 minutes until bring greens. Serve ladle soup into bowls, top with asparagus tip and a swirl of cream. Chef's tips: for a deeper flavor, roast asparagus pieces at 200 centigrade to about 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes before adding to the soup. Add a squeeze of lemon juice before serving for brightness. This soup is also delicious chilled for a ring appetizer. Please always do visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ तपाईहरु सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि मेरो प्रोफाइलमा भिजिट गर्नुहोला र रेसिपीहरु हेर्नुहोला, खोज्नुहोला र तपाईहरुले रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो फ्यामिली फ्रेन्डसँग इन्जोय गर्नुहोला। केही जिज्ञासा छन् भने मलाई सिधै मेसेज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा you can comment any of my post. Love you all. See you next in the video.